position of the good sponsor?
Hi, sorry. Yes, Mr. President, be happy to answer the queries of my distinguished colleague from Cavite as well, Senator Tolentino.
I think I might have lost some of my notes, so...
You
Mr. President,
promised the Senate President there would be no violation of the human right to eat lunch.
and I will gift you with the latest brown pill, as opposed to pure one of COVID-19. which I
Thank
have in my
you.
possession. Mr. President, I'm very much concerned with the effects or the non-implementation of the Mandanas ruling
That's right.
vis-a-vis the LGUs. And looking at the devolution plan of the DSWD, it would appear that the plan would end sometime in 2024. But, Mr. President, may we know from, and this is not part of my question, this should be considered as a follow-up question emanating from the previous questions given by Senators Lacson and the minority leader, the duplication of functions that perhaps might be devolved to the LGUs. Will it be anticipated, or will the duplicative functions be retained partially by the DSWD and some be devolved to the LGUs? May we know the answer from the good sponsor, Mr. President?
Yes, in general terms, guidelines have been established for the devolution of several DSWD projects. In 2022, the plan is that supplemental feeding in a scaled down way will be turned over to the LGUs. Also, the assistance to persons with disabilities, the Street Children program, and then the senior citizen stipend payouts should be managed by the new National Commission for Senior Citizens. So yun yung 2022. Sa 2023, yung trafficking and yung reintegration and recovery of trafficked persons are also to be scaled down and the supplemental feeding to be phased out. 2024, yung Kalahi seeds to be fully devolved to LGUs together with the AICs and the SLP or livelihood programs. So in very broad strokes, there is some comprehension of how to do it, but you and I know full well that in the time of the pandemic, and we're not out of this COVID problem yet, the devolution of these functions also means the loss of budget and personnel. So marami pong nangangamba dito sa devolution na ito.
Correct, Mr. President.